Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Rockwall, Texas, and we're looking at a walkout basement cut into the side of the hill. You'll notice that on the upper side, there's going to be a retaining wall right along this area here. And then there's going to be a second retaining wall right along here. And the basement's going to be down at the bottom with a flat pad down at the bottom. And there is built into the side of the hill, there's a stone light shale material, and we can see that there's a small gravel base right here along the side. We're on the upper portion of it. Down to the bottom there's a lake, and Walkout is very, very close to water. There was no water in the soil, but we're looking at a thin limestone. This project is going to be slightly unique for the fact that we're closer to the water and shale at the bottom, which means we're not going to need any piers, which is great. So we're going to adjust our footer to take full advantage of that situation. And you can see the drainage down the side. The houses that are built into the side of a hill like this that has that stair step usually will leak, and I was just told that that house is no different. You can see that stair step, and if you sell that exactly the way it is, there's an 80% chance it's leaking from the back side of the wall on the inside of the basement, and most likely that's the case. So we would suggest repairing that type of situation, waterproofing it on the outside right now because it's accessible, but the majority of that repair should be done 100% on the inside of the basement versus the outside of the basement. And we'll walk down to the bottom of the hill and show what it looks like from the inside. Let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.